Hi! In front of me is ULEFONE Armor 70 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can manage apps permissions on this device. First of all, go into Settings. Now scroll all the way down to access Privacy. Following that, click on Permission Manager and tap on one of your device's features, like Camera. Now just tap on one of your apps and tap on the best option for you, in my case Messages. Allow only while using the app, ask every time, or don't allow. I will go with don't allow, so now in this case I need to choose don't allow anyway in the pop-up. Then click on the back button. As you can see after that, Camera no longer has access to my device's messages. But you can always click on any app, then scroll all the way down and choose See All Google Permissions. Now manage all of them for this app from here. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and subscribe. Bye!